PDF grep and like what command you have given. Since the process, one of the process I killed, it shows kill, otherwise it will show like 10212 the process ID. Now we will start the VA editor. It's the text editor which we will be using to write our scripting one. To start a VA editor, just give VI and the file name, or if you want to create a new file, just give So this is the screen, VA editor screen. So there are two modes in the VA editor. One is the command mode. Another one is the input or the insert mode. The input or the insert mode is that just type I. So it will move to the goes into the insert mode. You can type or whatever the code you want to type. Then just give I. It will show the insert. Now we can type.
So default, whenever you log in the VI, default is command mode. Okay, you cannot edit. That is one of the difficult. When you use the first time VI, there's nothing you can do until you enter the editing mode, the insert mode. To insert, going to the insert mode, there are several options. I is the most popular one, insert, and the O is add, and the A is append. And such an editing command will be start the editing mode.
If you want to save this one, just go to the command mode. To go into the command mode, just press escape.
Or colon. Colon is the, you will see the, why don't you type the colon? You can see the bottom line, the colon, then you can type any the command over there. So best way is always ESC several times. Then if you want to type command mode, then the colon, then type the command, something like that. That is the best way. So it's not complicated one. If you are using the MS Word, there are two activities. One is typing, another one is click to format or save. So it's the same thing, but the graphical user interface automatically recognizes which one is typing, which one is clicking. But this one is not, because of that you specify such a thing.
So this will write and with this editor.
So WQ is the most popular command in the VI. Right and quit. If you want to just save, you can just type W. W is just the write.
Hey, you have to type in. How do you save it?
Like escape. Yeah.
So once you insert open the file, write the contents, save the file, then you use the 50% of the VI function you are using currently. Then why don't you check the Google, then download the one page, the quick reference file, like that. you cannot memorize all the commands. It's really huge. So even I do not. But if you download a quick reference guide from internet, like a one-page PDF file, there are a lot. Many of people upload such a quick reference guide. Use that one page. You can print out and bring together.
So I'm just typing. If I don't want to save, just give escape colon Q and the exclamatory. It will just quit without the saving session. Actually, this allows like you can just easily select and you can easily
That is actually not VI command.
it's not a VI command, but
Some of the emulators support that. Otherwise, you can yank, copy using YY. If you copy 2 line, the number 2 YY. If you copy 3 line, 3 YY. Okay, that's yank, not copying. It's a yank. So then the to paste, you move using the either arrow or the JK. It's a JKL and the HJKL is the direction. Okay, so or the arrow move the line, then the insert mode, then the P. P is the paste. If you delete, the DD is the delete the line. Very popular command. Just try, okay? Otherwise, you cannot understand. It's very hard from the textbook. YY, DD, CW is the change word. If you, sometimes you wanna change it word by word. If you move the location and CW is a change word, you can type new word. And append, if you wanna append the end of the line, it's a type A. Then append at the end of the line. What is popular one? The slash. If you wanna search, you can the slash. Then type the word. It search the file from the file and move that location. Also G is the capital letter G is the end of the line.
X will delete each letter. X.
And also sometimes you want to see the line number, left hand side. At that time, colon, the SE space, NU, SE, NU, I'm not sure, I cannot remember. Let me, it's the same number. Shift, where is the shift? Yeah, SENU, then you can see the line. That's very useful. The SENU and enter. It's a step number. And period is the repetition of repeating the previous command. Sometimes you wanna add the same dash at the beginning of the line. At that time, first insert the hyphen at the beginning of the line, then dot 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 dot, that it will repeat the previous command. That's also useful command.
these are the widely used commands. There are many more. You can go to the
Really many more.
go through the Google. If you want to copy a line, just in the command mode, just give YY. It will copy the line, and to paste it, just give small p or the caps P. And if you want to delete a line, just give dd, it will delete the whole line. Or if it's like a cut option, if you want to paste the line, just give the P. And if you want to copy the word, just give YIW. And if you want to cut or delete a word, DW. And if you want to go to the end of the line, give the $sign. On the end of the file, give the caps G.
Sorry, what's DW again?
Which one?
What is DW? Delete.
Delete or cut a word by word.
D means usually delete, W means the word, C means change, A means append, and P means paste, and the Y means the yank, and what else? You can just imagine, then that usually works, because who developed this one is the same intelligence level as us. And also, I think the most difficult thing is when you lose the where am I? Okay, whether this is insert mode, delete mode, ESC. Always, if you are not sure, ESC several times. Then, if you the I, that will be insert mode. Or otherwise, if you want to type the command, the colon. Then always start from the ESC if you are not sure. Then also this is a tip. Those who are not familiar with this, next time we will do the programming. So I code the using Notepad, okay, on your local computer. I try to copy and paste to the here. So open the VI, then I, then paste, then the colon W. Okay. So at least you need to know this one. Open up for VI file, I input and paste and the colon and WQ. Then at least you can copy and paste the file to VI. That's the minimum you need to do. But little painful, you need to edit here and to copy and paste. So eventually you will learn the VI commands.
I have copied the first line by giving typing the YY. I'm just going to paste here. So first line is copied and pasted. If I want to delete, just give DD. It will delete. DW I just used, so you just
So think about if you like the game, the most of the professional or if you like the game, you wanna use the keyboard to control instead of mouse. That's the same thing. Okay. So for example, if you are moving, changing the location of your cursor, so you can use the HJKL. Okay, instead of the arrow or the mouse. So please try to get used.
So you can try by yourself.
Couple more minutes, 1 more minute. Yeah, it's the end of time.
If you are having like more number of lines, like if you want to move to page by page, just give Control and D. The command is to move to the screen is Control F. If you like, it will go page by page. If you want to move back, just give Control B. It will goes page by page backwards.
You can edit the multiple files at the same session. Yes.
He was copying a single line. How to copy multiple lines if you want to?
Number 2YY, 2 line. 10YY, 10 line. If you want to delete the 10 lines, 10 DB. Okay. Just straightforward. Okay, just try. It's not complicated
Just
one.
give the number of lines you need to copy and type YY or DD. It will give you the output. So I just deleted 3 lines. So it will show the 3 fewer lines. 3 DD. If you want the number of lines you need to do. And this is the pretty much basic, and this is the one you need to remember. In VI editor, 2 modes, command and the input one. To write the input, just give I and type the input, and to save and quit, just give escape and colon WQ, and if you don't want to save, just give colon Q and the exclamatory, and this one is allowing you to just copy graphically, so you can just using your mouse you can copy and you can paste like Control V, it's working. And these are the commands which in VI you can play with without using the GUI or the mouse. Because all VI editor won't support the mouse scrolling and copying option. You just need to remember the few commands which are essential. And that's it for the lab 2. Next lab we will see about the shell scripting.
You should be able to at least open the file, write the contents, and save the file, or copy and paste. Otherwise, you cannot do the next lab. So we are going to start the Unix programming directly. That will be needed for your project 1. Okay. So please practice. If I can feel not many students are working the VI and the command line interface, we will have the exam for editing. Who will be the best? Or competition. Okay, thanks so much.